In the world of healthcare, where patient safety is paramount, the quality of the air within hospitals plays a critical role in preventing infections. The BreathEasy Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is an innovative solution designed to track mold, humidity, and other factors that can contribute to the spread of infections, ensuring a clean and safe environment for patients and staff. This smart monitor is equipped with precise sensors that vigilantly measure levels of mold spores, humidity, and other airborne contaminants. By keeping a constant check on these elements, the BreathEasy monitor helps maintain an atmosphere that is less likely to harbor or spread harmful pathogens. One of the key features of the BreathEasy monitor is its real-time alert system. When it detects levels of mold or humidity that are outside the recommended safety parameters, it sends immediate notifications to hospital staff. This proactive alert capability enables quick responses to adjust environmental controls or implement cleaning measures, thereby reducing the risk of infections. The Wi-Fi connectivity of the BreathEasy monitor allows for easy monitoring and management of air quality from anywhere within the hospital. Through a dedicated app, healthcare personnel can access real-time data, receive alerts, and take action to ensure that the hospital environment remains optimal for patient care and well-being. For hospitals striving to maintain the highest standards of infection control, the BreathEasy Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a valuable asset. It not only monitors mold and humidity but also plays a crucial role in creating a healthier hospital environment where the risk of infections is minimized. To discover how the BreathEasy monitor can contribute to a safer and healthier hospital environment, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be delighted to provide additional information and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.